What's going on, guys? If you haven't already, been following along, today we are reading chapter 10, The Tipping Point. We're reading chapter 10 of The Great Care Crisis. It's an incredible book. I mean, I'm not biased or anything, I swear. No biases here. But make sure you get a copy. I'm telling you, you got to get a copy. It's a fantastic book. The Tipping Point. Statewide, 90 days later. Gosh, I don't know. The tipping point, this sounds like it could be, what's happening? Are we getting close to the climax? I don't know. I guess you have to get the book to find out. I'm like holding you in suspense. Like, come on, get on the book already. All right, fine, here we go. Chapter 10, The Tipping Point, statewide, 90 days later. The commercials were simple. A daughter laughing with her father at an art table, a Navy veteran leading the Pledge of Allegiance, a group of seniors dancing in a tropical theme room with a steel drum playing in the background. They're not passing time, the voiceover said, they're living. Find joy and discover a renewed sense of purpose. Adult day clubs, the future of senior care. The pilot campaign rolled out in 5 Florida counties. Then it spread. Hospital case managers were given new discharge protocols. Primary care providers got brochures. Local news stations ran human interest pieces. One featured Palm Grove and smiling Carol Matthews, waving to the camera in a flamingo printed blouse. She is now a local celebrity. Calls tripled in a week. Meanwhile, resistance was mounting. The Florida Long-Term Care Association issued a statement questioning the safety and scope of adult day programs. A major nursing home chain launched a counter campaign titled Real Care Requires 24/7. And in a closed-door meeting, a prominent lobbyist told Elaine Brooks, if you keep pushing this, you'll lose committee support for your next bill. Elaine didn't flinch. This isn't about politics, she replied. It's about saving the system before it implodes. At Palm Grove, the momentum was palpable. Jessica had a wait list for the first time ever. They expanded hours, added Saturday programming, and hired 2 new staff members. Sarah Matthews became a part-time family liaison, helping other caregivers navigate their first steps. Dr. Chen started leading monthly hospital in-services on adult day outcomes. His data showed a 42% reduction in readmissions for participants in the pilot counties. Tommy was compiling caregiver satisfaction surveys that read like love letters. And something else was happening, something no one could ignore anymore. Families were showing up loudly at town halls, on social media, in letters to the editor. This program saved my marriage. I have my mom and my job back. I can breathe again. I finally feel like I am not failing. And then it happened. One of the stories went viral. A short documentary posted by a caregiving influencer showed a day in the life at Palm Grove. Within 48 hours, it had over 1.5 million views. 3 national outlets picked it up, and suddenly, Adult Day wasn't just a local experiment, it was a national conversation. The Tipping Point, chapter 10. Look, we only got 2 more chapters left, guys. Chapter 11, chapter 12, it's almost over. The future of senior care is almost here. So make sure you get a copy of The Great Care Crisis. Share it with those you know, senior care professionals, family caregivers, other adult day directors. It's a great book. It paints a picture of what's to come. The Great Care Crisis is here, but the future of long-term care starts with a forgotten idea. I think we are onto something. So anyways, hey, go check out the book, get it online. Come back tomorrow for chapter 11, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.